Hi everyone, this is Christine from Haberdashery, and we're showing you guys how to stay green during COVID-19. In our last episode, we were showing you how to grow vegetables from some of the scraps you might have from just regular groceries. And today, we're going to be showing you how to regrow plants from clippings. Right here, we have just a few of the plants that we're going to kind of give you an example with. Obviously, there's a lot more out there. I do have a link down below that gives you about 20 some plants that you could reproduce the plant from the clippings. But for now, we're going to be doing some of, you're just going to be using these plants right here. I'm definitely excited to share this video with you. It's beautiful out here in Austin today. So let's get started. Here are some of the herbs we're going to be making clippings of today. Right now, here we have oregano, parsley, dill, thyme, cilantro, rosemary, and basil. And here's some of the materials you'll be needing. You'll need a sharp pair of scissors or a knife, aloe vera, and some water if you want to make a rooting compound, or just a regular glass of water, which is where you could put the clippings when you're done, and that's pretty much where they'll be rooting. Of our clippings that we already did for you, we basically used some sharp scissors, clean sharp scissors, and we basically cut the clippings about 4 to 6 inches at a 40-degree angle. This you see right here. And we did it to all of the plants. And last time we showed you a honey rooting compound. You don't actually need to use a rooting compound. Water inside a glass is fine, but I believe the rooting compounds help a little bit. So we're going to do a little experiment here and see whether or not this aloe compound will work. So we basically took some aloe and we took out the inside of it, and we put it into a glass. It's going to be a little bit gooey right here, but he's going to go ahead and take that out. And then we're just going to basically mix it with just a little bit of water, maybe no more than 2 inches of water in the glass that we're going to be using. So we're just going to go ahead and do that for you. And mix it around a little bit. Okay. And there's the aloe growing compound. It should work pretty well, and we'll go ahead and show you another tutorial and see how everything's grown after a while. But for now, what we're going to do is just go ahead and put all the clippings into the same vessel. It really doesn't matter that they're mixed or not, just they're all going to be basically rooting on their own. And if you look at the link that we put below on all the rooting from clippings, it'll kind of give you an idea of how long the plant should take to root. Sometimes it could take no less than a week to a few weeks, just depending on the type of plant. Some of the more woodier ones can even take up to a month. But like I said on the link below, it'll give you a little more info. When the roots have grown about 1 to 2 inches, as shown here in this succulent we took a clipping of, you'll be able to plant this in either soil or a hydroponic system. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And make sure to join us in our next video where I'm going to show you guys how to plant from seed. In the meantime, hope you guys have a great day. Keep safe and healthy. Bye-bye.